Hello and welcome to Pawscape Chronicles, your go-to channel for everything canine. We're here to provide you with the best information, tips and insights about man's best friend. Whether you're a seasoned dog parent or you're just starting to explore the world of pet ownership, we've got something for you. In this episode, we're turning our attention to a health issue that's common but often overlooked: paw infections in dogs. These infections can cause our dogs discomfort and pain, and if left untreated, can lead to serious health complications. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand what to look out for and what steps you can take to help your furry friend. So, if you're ready to become the best pet parent you can be, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. In today's episode, we're going to delve into a serious issue that many dogs face: paw infections. So, how can you tell if your dog's paw is infected? Just like us humans, dogs can exhibit certain telltale signs when they're not feeling their best. When it comes to paw infections, here's what to keep an eye out for. Swelling is one of the first things you might notice. If your dog's paw appears to be larger than usual, is warm to the touch, or seems tender when you gently press it, that could be a red flag. Next, pay attention to your dog's movement. Are they limping or avoiding putting weight on one paw? This could indicate discomfort due to an infection. Another sign is the presence of pus or discharge. This could be coming from a visible wound, or it might be oozing out from between your dog's toes. Either way, it's a clear sign that something isn't quite right. A foul smell is another symptom that shouldn't be ignored. If your dog's paw is emitting a bad odor, it's likely due to bacteria or fungi thriving in the infected area. Itching is also a common sign of infection. Your dog may scratch or lick the infected paw excessively. This can be a vicious cycle, as the persistent licking can exacerbate the infection and make things worse. Lastly, obsessive licking itself can be a symptom. Dogs often lick their wounds as a natural response to soothe discomfort. But compulsive licking can indicate a deeper issue, like an infection. These symptoms aren't just uncomfortable for your dog, they're also signs of a problem that could escalate if left untreated. It's important to remember that while these signs can indicate a paw infection, they can also be symptoms of other health issues. So what should you do if you notice these signs? It's crucial to take action. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to take your dog to the vet as soon as possible. Your vet can provide a proper diagnosis and prescribe the best course of treatment to get your dog back on all four paws. Scene script. However, if the infection is mild or in its early stages, there are several home remedies you can try. Let's delve into some of them. First up is the simple act of bathing. Cleaning the paw with a mild, dog-friendly soap and warm water can help keep the area clean and prevent further infection. Just make sure to rinse thoroughly, as any soap residue can irritate the skin and exacerbate the problem. Next, let's talk about Epsom salt. This isn't your average table salt. Epsom salt is a compound of magnesium and sulfate, which have beneficial properties that can help with paw infections. Soaking your dog's paw in a warm Epsom salt solution for around 5 to 10 minutes can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can aid in healing. You can administer this soothing soak once or twice a day until the infection clears up. Now on to a kitchen staple: garlic. Known for its potent antibacterial properties, garlic can be a helpful ally in fighting off infection. Crush a clove of garlic and apply it directly to the infected paw, leaving it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. You can also add a bit of garlic to your dog's food, but remember, moderation is key. Too much garlic can be harmful to dogs. Another pantry hero is honey. Not only is it a sweet treat, but it's also a natural antibiotic that can help heal wounds and infections. Apply some raw honey directly to the infected paw and cover it with a bandage. Remember to change the bandage every few hours and wash the paw with warm water. The anti-inflammatory and soothing effects of honey can also help alleviate any discomfort your dog might be experiencing. Last but not least, let's discuss turmeric. This vibrant spice is known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antifungal properties. You can make a paste with turmeric and water and apply it to the infected paw. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Turmeric can also be added to your dog's food, but be cautious. Too much can stain your dog's fur and cause an upset stomach. These remedies can provide relief and aid in healing, but remember, they're not a substitute for professional veterinary care. If your dog's condition doesn't improve or worsens, take them to the vet immediately. We hope these tips help you and your furry friend navigate through paw infections with a little more ease and understanding. Remember, our canine companions rely on us to keep them healthy and happy, and that includes taking good care of their paws. And that's a wrap for today's episode on home remedies for paw infections. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember to check your dog's paws regularly, keep them clean and dry, and treat any signs of infection as soon as possible. Thank you for tuning in to Pawscape Chronicles. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and we'll see you in the next video. Paw infections are not something to take lightly. They can cause serious discomfort to our furry friends and, if left untreated, can lead to more severe health issues. Prevention is always better than cure, and it's no different with paw infections. Regularly checking your dog's paws can help spot any early signs of trouble. Are the paws swollen? Is your dog limping or showing signs of discomfort? These are important questions to ask during your regular checks. Keeping your dog's paws clean and dry is another key preventive measure. After walks, especially in damp or muddy conditions, a simple wash and dry can go a long way in preventing infections. Be mindful of the surfaces your dog walks on. Sharp objects, toxic substances, or even excessively hot pavement can cause damage and open the door for infections. Remember, our furry friends love to explore, and it's not uncommon for them to step on something potentially harmful. So make sure you keep an eye on where your dog is stepping, especially in unfamiliar environments. What about grooming? Yes, that's crucial too. Regularly trimming your dog's nails and the hair between the paw pads can prevent the accumulation of dirt and bacteria, reducing the risk of infection. These preventive steps can indeed help, but they are not foolproof. If you notice persistent symptoms despite your best efforts, it's time to seek veterinary help. Severe paw infections require professional treatment, and delaying it can only make matters worse. Remember, our canine companions rely on us for their well-being. They can't tell us when they're in pain, but they show us signs. It's our responsibility to recognize these signs and act promptly. Early detection and treatment can ensure your furry friend stays happy and healthy. It's worth the effort to keep those tail wags coming and those doggy smiles bright. After all, a healthy dog is a happy dog, and a happy dog makes for an even happier dog parent, doesn't it? Until next time, keep your paws and tails high. We'll see you in the next episode of Pawscape Chronicles. Remember, every paw print tells a story, and we're here to help you understand them better. And that's all the time we have for today's episode. We've covered a lot of ground, from recognizing the signs of paw infections in our beloved dogs, to exploring effective home remedies that can provide relief and promote healing. Remember, a paw infection is not to be taken lightly. Early detection and intervention are key to preventing more serious health issues. We hope you found this information helpful and that it empowers you to take even better care of your furry friends. If you know other dog owners who might benefit from this video, please feel free to share it with them. We're all in this together, learning to provide the best care we can for our pets. Don't forget to subscribe to Pawscape Chronicles for more helpful tips and insights about dog care. We're always working on new content to help you navigate the wonderful world of pet parenthood. Thank you for watching Pawscape Chronicles, and we'll see you in our next episode.